The Fast Prototyping Board for RA Family is an evaluation board equipped with an RA Family MCU, designed specifically for prototype development for a variety of applications. It has a built-in emulator circuit, so you can write and debug programs without additional tools. This board enables easy and low-cost prototype development and shortens the development time for customers. This video guides first-time users of the RA family through the steps of installing a development environment, generating a project, and checking the operation to develop software using the Fast Prototyping Board. This chapter describes how to install Renesas's integrated development environment, eSquare Studio, and flexible software package. First, download the platform installer. Go to GitHub from the eSquare Studio page on the Renesas website and click on the latest version of the installer to download it. This will install all the necessary components such as eSquare Studio, flexible software package, and GNU ARM embedded toolchain. After downloading, run the installer file to set up the development environment. On the Select Install Type page, new users are recommended to select the Quick Install option, which is easier to set up. After accepting the software agreement displayed on the Licenses page, tick I accept the terms of the software agreements. Click the Install button to start the installation. After the installation is complete, press the OK button. This next chapter describes how to generate a project. In this video, we will generate a project using the Blinky template, which includes the LED blinking process. Launch eSquare Studio and click Create a new C or C++ project on the Project Explorer tab. Select Renesas RA and Renesas RAC C++ project. Enter the project name and, if necessary, specify a location to store the project. On the Device and Tools selection page, select FPB-RA2E1 for board, the latest GNU ARM embedded for toolchain, and E2 Lite ARM for debugger. On the project template selection page, select a Blinky template. Click the Generate Project Content button in the FSP configuration window to generate the source code. You have now generated a project to blink the LED. This final chapter describes how to check the program operation. Build the project to generate the executable file. To build the project, click the project name in the Project Explorer view and click the Hammer button. Confirm that there are no errors after the build is finished. Connect the PC and Fast Prototyping Board via a USB cable. Press the Gear button on the eSquare Studio to open the debug configuration. Confirm that E2 Lite ARM is set in debug hardware and select No for power target from emulator in connection settings. Click the Bug button on the upper left to start debugging and download the program from the PC to the RA Family MCU. After the download is complete, the program will stop at the beginning of the Reset Handler function. Click the Resume button to resume program execution. You can see that the LED on the Fast Prototyping Board is blinking. As you can see, the Fast Prototyping Board for RA enables easy and low-cost prototype development without the need to purchase additional tools, thus helping to shorten customers' development time. For more details, please refer to the Renesas website.